Today we continue work on the Cerakote oven temp controller. It all starts off with finishing this faceplate.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard tonight. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Here's a quick breakdown of the major components inside this box. The first thing is just a regular switch that you'd install in your house. This is the PID controller that I got off Amazon. And some regular CPU cooling fans. We have some solid state relays. Then a power converter to convert AC to DC. .240 AC comes in from the load center or the circuit breaker panel from the wall. It's hooked up to one side of these solid state relays. And once those relays get triggered by the temp controller, it'll send that power back out to the plug we installed in the wall. 120 AC also enters the back of the panel. This power is switched and turns on both the converter and the PID. And once the converter has power, it sends its DC voltage down to turn the fans on. On the sensing side of things, the thermocouple sends a signal to the temp controller. If that temp is less than the set temperature on the faceplate of the controller, it sends a signal to both relays, turning on the AC power. Here's a quick demo of the system working, along with a sneak preview of the hose reel for the air system. More to come on that in a future episode.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels